Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth tutorial of this HTML tutorial series for beginners. In this tutorial we are going to have a look at images and how we can add images to our HTML web pages. So in order to add images to our web page, we use a tag called image tag. Okay, now this image tag has some properties which are different properties, but now we are going to use the source property. Now what is this source property? This source property mention the place where image has been placed. Okay, so I have already downloaded an image here, which is the hut image. So this is a very cute picture of a cardboard hut placed on the ground. So I am going to use this image in my HTML page. So how I do that? In source I am going to put the name of image, which is hut, and then type is .jpg file. So how I do that? It is hut.jpg, and then we have a property which is called the alt property. Now what is this alt property? Let's say a user is using your website and suddenly his internet connection went off, or due to some reason this image was not able to being loaded. So instead of this image, the user can see this text, which is this is a hut image. So with help of this tag, the user can get the idea what kind of picture was there. So I am going to save this, and let's see in our browser what we have here. And when I refresh the page, we have the image of hut here, and this text came here. Let's put a line break here so that these two things don't get mixed with each other. So I put a break tag here, and let's refresh this again. So now this text is here, and we have our image on the most left hand side of the page. Okay, so this was our image here. Now here are two things that I want to show you. Like, this image is placed in same folder in which our my first web page.html file is present. This was the first case. In this case, what we do is we simply write the name of file with its extension, some alt text, and we are done. Let's say this file is present inside an other folder, let's say images folder, and I am going to move this hut file to the images folder. Okay, now what we have to do here? Now we have to mention that there is a folder in this directory. In this directory is mentioned by ./. This means that in this directory or in this folder, then there is a folder which is called images, and inside images here is an hut.jpg file. So let me confirm one more time. This is images, which is capital I, images, and I am going to save this, and let's have a look at the browser. So now this is here, this image is here. Let's make an error and let's see what happens in the browser if we make any error. So I am going to remove this, and I will put hut.jpg here. Let's save this file and see what happens next. Now as you can see that the file has not been loaded. This icon shows that the file is missing or the file is broken, but we can see this text, which is this is a hut image. Now where did this text come from? This text come from this alt text, this alt means alternate. So we can see this is a hut image on our broken image tags. Now let's undo this using Ctrl Z. I am saving this again, and let's have a look here. So now this is working fine. Okay, this was the very basic use of image tag here. In the next tutorial we are going to have a look on hypertext and some link tags, how we use hyperlink tags to navigate to different HTML pages. So till next tutorial, take care of your health and keep enjoying your programming, and I will see you in the next tutorial with some exciting with some other excited content and excited tags as well. So see you soon. Bye.